So we're in the Mosaic subdivision here in front of one of the premier builders' homes here in Mosaic. The Adley homes are built a step above quality-wise. He is one of the premier builders in the area, if not the premier builder. This particular model is the Summerland Boca. It comes with 3 bedrooms and 2 baths, and it's just a little over 2,000 square feet. It has a 3-car garage, which is really more like a 3.5-car garage. He does a lot of things that are different than most builders. One of my favorite things about the home is the zip roof system that he uses. And that system means that his roofs don't leak. The zip roof system is a composite board that is water resistant, and all the seams are taped prior to putting the shingles on. So let's go in this house and take a look and see all the features and benefits that many other builders don't offer. So to start with, this particular model has a great front porch. He has another model that has a big front porch too. But notice he's got 8-foot doors on the front door, which is unique. So coming inside, you've got a nice large foyer to greet your guests. Take a look at this large dining, living, kitchen area. One of the things that Jamie Adley does is he puts these sliders that slide back in against the wall. So it just opens up this whole area where you can bring the inside out. So looking at the kitchen, to start with, he uses quartz countertops. He does that standard. These are 3-centimeter quartz tops, which is thicker than what most other builders use. All of his cabinets are solid wood cabinets. They have tongue and groove joints in the drawers. They have soft close and soft close doors and drawers. All of his homes have these large pantries. Some are even larger than this. Let's go take a look at the master bedroom. So this is a large master bedroom. It's got plenty of room for a king-size bed and some extra chairs. Looking at the master bath, you've got his and her closets. One of the things I might point out is the casing on the doors are thicker and wider than what most builders use. And every door in the house is an 8-foot door. So you can get furniture in and out. Even the closet doors are 8-foot doors. They don't use those bifold doors that end up coming off the track and constantly need to be adjusted. You've got a nice linen closet in every bathroom. He doesn't skimp on the cabinets in the bathrooms. These are all the same high quality solid wood cabinets with tongue and groove, quartz countertops. If we look at the shower, these little things really count. He's got a shower control here, so you don't have to stand under the shower when you turn the shower on. Oh, and notice the ceiling. He's got tray ceilings, beams, and the masters, and all of his masters. In the front of the house, he's got this kind of a guest suite or a mother-in-law suite where you've got your own bedroom. Again, you've got full 8-foot high closet doors. And this room has its own bath and can be closed off from the rest of the house. It's got a nice, good-sized laundry room. One of the other things that he does is he uses these solid surface windowsills on all the windows in the house, both the windowsill and the trim underneath. And then one of my favorite things is the size of this garage. This is a 3-car garage Plus it has a lot of extra space here for storage. So it's really more like a 3.5 car garage. It's got a nice 16-SEER HVAC system and a energy efficient hot water heater. One of the other things that he does is he puts in an attic access with a ladder. A lot of builders don't do that. This house has all tile with carpet in the bedrooms. So if you're interested in quality at a great price, because of these closeout, he's only got these 4 houses left and he's ready to move on out of this subdivision. You really ought to come take a look. We're open 7 days a week in the model home. If you'd like more information, I'm Robert Martin with We Sell Realty, and my phone number is 386-898-0700. Call or text 386-898-0700. Look forward to seeing you.